Dear students, the most awaited paid test series for IBPS PO preliminary examinations. We are starting from 3rd September onwards, and even though if you purchase these packages before 3rd September, your validity starts from 3rd September onwards only, and you can write exams from 3rd September onwards. Also, your validity starts from the same date. Now let us see what exactly are different packages available in IBPS PO preliminary examinations. There are two packages available here, 15 exams and then 30 exams. Every exam will be on par with IBPS PO preliminary actual examination process and its standard. Do remember, if you are preparing for IBPS PO preliminary examination, you are supposed to prepare for only IBPS PO preliminary examination, and most likely you should try to practice only such type of models and such type of standard questions only. And the second package is for 30 exams and explanations. Each test that we upload, every question in every paper, we will give test discussion. Faculty, expert faculty will come, and then they will discuss each and every question in a shortcut method, with the method which is actually useful for your examination. And there is a validity also. If you go for 15 exams package, the validity is 30 days. So within 30 days, you can write these 15 exams. And 30 exams and its explanation validity, we have given 60 days. During 60 days, you can write this. And last time for IRRB scale 1 and then assistant examination, we have given 60 exams and explanation package also. But for IBPS PO, we are not giving 60 exams package. We have only two packages, 15 exams and 30 exams, and each and every question, every paper will be explained by expert faculty. Now, how to purchase? Our website, official website, www.sridharcc.com, and just go to test series. And in test series, you have IBPS PO preliminary exams package, IBPS RRB scale 1 package, IBPS RRB assistant package. Select your package and then just go to payment process. I'll just give you how to do this also. Now, after purchasing that, every time you need to log in, you need to have proper login and then proper logout. This is very important. So in order to log in again in a smooth manner, for every login time, you should have proper logout also. Every time, just use only Sridhar CCE official website, www.sridharcc.com, and then select online student. Because this is online service, you need to select online students and then log in with your credentials. This is our official Sridhar CCE website, www.sridharcc.com. Now this is a secure website. On top banner we have test series here. Just click on test series. First we have IBPS PO prelims. Packages, 3 packages are available. This is 15 test series and validity is 30 days. And this is 30 test series package. Though we have mentioned 60 test series, this is disabled and we will never enable it. It will be disabled only. We are giving only two formats, one package 1, 15 tests, package 2, 30 tests. Now, whatever package you want to purchase, just select purchase. If you already have account, log in and then try. Here you can click on login. If you have already account, just click on login. If you don't have account, then you need to register now. Just click here to register. You need to register your own account, then again log in and then click here on terms and conditions pages and then proceed to pay. And it will not, system will not allow you to go for payment process unless and until if you are logging. If you have already account, just log in and then pay. Otherwise, click here for registration. Register yourself with own your details, name according to your 10th class examination, use your proper email ID and use your proper mobile number so that we will send you OTP. To create your own account, you need to again retype the OTP that we have sent to your mobile. So use proper data and then register again. After registration, just click on login and then come to this page. Now it will enable and you can complete your payment process. Now it is recommended when you go for purchasing a package, recommended you to use either laptop or desktop. For purchase time only. During purchase, use your laptop or desktop, and from next time onwards, whenever you want to write the exam or whenever you want to attend explanation, whether it is a live session or recorded session, whatever it is, you can use any of your electronic device like laptop, desktop, and your touchpad, or even your mobile also you can use. But during the time of purchasing the package, we recommend you to use laptop or desktop. And then every time use proper logout, and during payment process don't go to back button and don't refresh your pages. This is very important. And keep your payment receipt with you for your further information. We will send you invoice copy to your mail, but sometimes if at all if there is any gap, delay in sending invoice to you, it is always recommended to keep that payment receipt with you. If you still have any doubts, just call us on 950443333 or mail us reach us online.sridharcc@gmail.com. We wish you all good health for you and for your family members. I request all of you stay home, stay safe, stay prepared. Thank you.